I am Hansraj Marathe. I once again welcome you to my YouTube channel Hansraj Marathe Sindabad. On 1st March I had been to Yeotmal, and always being a birder and wildlife photographer, I carry my P900 camera with me. So when I went to Yeotmal, I visited the Jambwadi dam backwaters. Now you can see this beautiful place. There are so many birds on Jambwadi dam. One of this is black-tailed Godwit. There are snipes also. There are so many birds you can watch on this dam. Some are the migratory birds, some are resident birds, and here the Godwit is having his breakfast. Now his beak is very long, and according to their food, their beak is built. They penetrate it in the mud and have their food. Now on this Jambwadi dam, there are so many birds, and there is a jungle, and there are so many trees, and there are nilgai, bluebulls. Now you can see the view of that dam. Now again here it is a Ruddy Shelduck. In Marathi it is called Chakravak. The Ruddy Shelduck is preening his feathers. Both are sitting quietly. I have to shoot them as long as possible. If you go nearer, they will flew away. So now I think he has noticed me and started to move. This is black winged stilt also with them, a pair. This Ruddy Shelduck is also a migratory bird. On March 1st, when I went on this Jambwadi dam, there were a flock of bar-headed goose. Now here you can see an Openbill stork. The name Openbill is from the shape of his bill, which has got a curve, and with his beak he eats shells. He breaks them and he eats the shell. Here again you can see a Ruddy Shelduck and a sandpiper. Probably it is a snipe with a long beak, or maybe Godwit. From far distance you cannot differentiate immediately within the wanderers. So this is Ruddy Shelduck. This is Godwit. Now here it is a spoonbill. In Marathi it is called samcha. His beak is like a spoon, and now you can see he is moving circular like a compass. He is moving his beak in a round shape. Now here There were some blue bulls roaming here and there, and with blue bulls there are deers also. I had been there at near about 6:30 or 7 o'clock. The climate was hazy, so the light was not sufficient, so the shots were not that clear because of the light. Here again black winged stilt and Godwit or maybe snipe. Now there was a big flock of bar-headed goose which was very far away from me, and in between the bar-headed goose and myself there was a lake. So I could not go nearer to them because lake was my limit, and as the amphibians was new for me, I was not sure that how to go nearer to them and cross the lake. From left side I will have to take a U-turn and go there, but water was everywhere, so I did not knew the exact route to their place, so I opted to shoot them from a far distance, and I thought that on March 2 I will go there from other side. Now here they are eating. So whenever I move out of Akola, I carry my camera, and wherever I go I try to explore the nearby jungles and see what are the birds there, what species are there. So when I happened to be in Yeotmal, I came down here in the morning and enjoyed the birding. Bar-headed goose are also migratory birds. Here one more birder is there. He is busy in shooting. Now next day on 2nd March I came back to Akola. In the morning I started from Yeotmal, and on the road I saw these flowers of Palash. It was so nice to have this orange color flowers on the way that I was very enlightened to see them, and in this way I shot the birds there. So if you now here again a flock of blue bulls is there. On many places the board is written that animals can cross the road, so go slowly, and as soon as I saw the board I slowed down my vehicle and I saw these blue bulls. So if you like this video, kindly like, subscribe and share, and if you have any doubts, clarification or additional information about this place, you can put it in my comment box. But do not forget to subscribe my channel, like, subscribe, share. Thank you for viewing this video up till